In the manufacturing hub of eastern China, Nantong stands a pioneering firefighting equipment enterprise with over 4 decades of history. This is Nantong Sentian Firefighting Equipment Co.'s Linta, where innovation meets global safety. At Sentian, technology is in our DNA. Our R&D center brings together industry elites who utilize digital design and rigorous testing to create bespoke fire hoses, from high-pressure industrial solutions to specialized hoses for extreme environments, each embodying the essence of intelligent manufacturing in China. What sets Sentian apart is our mastery of the entire supply chain. As one of the few global manufacturers with in-house circular loom R&D, we produce not only hoses but also high-performance looms and equipment for the industry. Our large-diameter hoses, over 300 millimeters, set global benchmarks. With burst pressures exceeding twice the national standard, they are widely adopted in high-risk sectors like oil and gas, becoming China's calling card in international markets. Quality is Sentian's universal language. With over 20 certifications, including CCCF, UL, and CE, each award reflects thousands of fire resistance tests, corrosion trials, and 10,000 plus hours of endurance simulations. Nestled in the Yangtze River Delta Economic Hub, Sentian is just 45 minutes from Shanghai Pudong Airport. Our efficient logistics network ensures rapid global response. 4 decades of craftsmanship weave the shield of safety. With eyes on the future, Sentian Fire never stops advancing.